That's number 9. Number 9 may tangan ng bola. Nasa kay number 11. Fix. For shot. Was that on City College of Angeles DHVTSU basketball. Number 25 may tangan ng bola. That's number 5. Binalik kay number 25. Fires. Wala. A rebound by number 11. Number 9. Number 9. That's number 22. Still number 25. Number 25 penetrates. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Nakuha na number 10. Put back on number 10. 22. 15-point lead by DHVTSU. Number 19. And kickball, shot lock reset. Shot lock reset at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9, may tangan ng bola. Number 9 penetrates. Fourth shot. Open defensive rebound by number 5. That's number 25. And that's kay number 7. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 17. 19 rather. First on you. Second on you. First team foul on City College of Angeles. First basket ni number 7, pasok. Second shot on number 7. Wala. Put back on number 10. Another foul has been whistled. Foul on number 7. Holding foul. Second and you. First team foul on DHVTSU. Nasa kay number 9 ang bola. 10 to shoot. Rebound by number 7. That's number 25. 40. Malaki ng lamang ng DHVTSU at 52-22. 30 lamang. 25 wala. A rebound by number 11. Number 9. Number 9, Bondok. Bondok, may tangan ng bola. Last touch of City College of Angeles, turnover, DHVTSU basketball. Number 25, tinira. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 3. Foul has been whistled. Number 28. Substitution. Number 9 out. Number 11 out for the City College of Angeles. Video zone number 3. Coach, sa tingkong whistle kin. Whistle na, whistle na. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. A miscommunication, turnover, City College of Blessing. Number 12. Tangan na bola. Nakuha ni number 25, pass to number 7. Number 7, 42. Number 12. Number 28. Oh, still number 25. Number 25, 42. And a sportsmanlike foul. Committed number 5. 2 shots plus ball possession. Substitution rep. Tawagin na lang. Number 12 out. Taking ka number 5. Number 11 of DHVTSU out. 7, rather. 2 free throws plus ball position on number 19. First basket on number 19. Wala. Second shot on number 19. Pasok. Same ball po tayo. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. May tanga na bola. Number 5. Penetrates. 4 shot. Rebound by number 10. Pass number 25. Pass number 8. Penetrates. Reverse shot. Wala. Put back. Wala. Nasa kay number 19. Lacson. Miscommunication. Turnover. Back to basketball. Number 8. Number 8, Jumol. May tanga na bola. Sa number 25, Tongoy. Signaling na play. 25. Nasa number 8, Jumol. Penetrates. Jumol. 4-2. Torres, number 5. Sa Lacson, number 9. Pinasa number 22. And 1 play on number 22. Basket count. Foul committed number 3. Hacking foul. Substitution. Number 3 and number 10 out. Bonus withdrawal on number 22. Wala. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 16. Warning for penalty, DHVTSU. Shooting 2 free throws, number 21. Dalawa ka na, number 16 ha. Warning for penalty tayo, DHVTSU. For 2 on number 21. Number 8, Yumol. Yumol may tanga na bola. Nasa number 25, Tongo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. As the Yumol fires. Malakas. Then by number 21, pass number 5, Torres. Intercepted by Yumol, number 8. The number 21, 4-2. Tinatalo lamang at 59-29. 30 points lead by DHVTSU. Number 5 fires. Rebound by number 19, Lacson. Number 5 pass, number 25, Tonggol. Tonggol penetrates. Tonggol, Wartsu. Ball pass number 22. Number 22, 4-2. Number 25. Tonggol may tanga na bola. Tonggol. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5. Tinira. Wala. Number 5, Torres. Tanga ng bola. Torres. Number 28. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Block. Sakay number 12. Number 12. The ball has been whistled. Foul on number 19. Number 5. 25 out. 26 out of the City College of Angeles. 13 fouls sa City College of Angeles. 2 free throws on number 12. First basket ni number 12, pasok. Second shot on number 12. Second shot, wala. A rebound with number 12. Number 12. Number 12, 4-2. Injury time po tayo. Save na yan. Okay. Lacson. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 16. Holding foul. Tatlo ka na, number 16. Penalty. 2 free throws on number 5. Unang tira, wala. Pangalawang tira. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Inasa kay Yumul. Nakuha na number 16. Pass number 40 Santos. Kick out pass. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. 40. Nasa kay Lacson. Number 19. Oh, clear block ni number 4. Jump ball possession. DHVTSU basketball. Number 8 out of DHVTSU. Bigay na yung bola. Pukan na sa harap. Pukan mo na sa harap. Number 9. Inahabol. Number 9. Signaling a play. Number 9. Penetrates. Number 9. 4-2. Unting namabaga ang kalamangan. 68-31. 7 ang lamang ng DHVTSU. 37-point lead. Lacson, 4-2. Simple lamang ng DHVTSU at 68-33. Santos, kick out pass. Number 12, wala. A rebound. Substitution. Number 10 out for the City College of Angeles. Almost intercepted. Number 5. Number 5. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 12. Penalty tayo, rep, ha? Chief Ventura zone number 5. First shot, it's good. Second shot on number 5. Wala. By number 14, Santos plus number 19, Pangilinan. Plus number 13, Morales. Morales may tangan ng bola. Morales penetrate. Morales, wala. Putback, wala. Nakuha ni Santos. Good ball 2 on number 14, Santos. Pass number 19, Lacson. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock visit. Number 9, Marty. Timeout, City College of Angeles. 39 seconds time remaining. In the third quarter, score 72-34. DHVTSU is still in favor. Thirty-nine seconds. Time remaining. 39 seconds. Violation po yan. DHVTSU basketball, violation. Sintok ang bola. Bawal yun. Violation po yun. Number 13, Morales. 25 seconds. Morales, number 30, 42. This ball pass number 9. Wala. Last touch on DHVTSU City College of Angeles basketball. Shot clock is up po tayo. 11.4 seconds tayo. 11.4 seconds. Time natin, it's 9.4 seconds. No more shot clock. Time remaining 3.2 seconds. 3.2 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter. The result scored for nothing. 74 for DHVTSU, 34 for the City College of Angeles.